Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to delete your Telegram account. And yes, this method will work on both iOS and Android. So just follow my steps. First, open the Telegram app on your phone, tap on three-line icon and then tap on settings. Now tap on privacy and security. Scroll down until you find delete my account and tap on it. From here you can set a time duration for automatic Telegram account deletions. If we select 1 month, then our account will be deleted right after 1 month. For this, we have to select 1 month and uninstall the Telegram app from our phone. And we should not install or login in for the next 1 month. Then our Telegram account will be deleted right after 1 month. But if we would like to delete our Telegram account instantly, let's see how to do that. From the Telegram menu option, tap on Telegram FAQ and scroll down until you find an option called your account. Tap on this. Now tap on highlighted text delete. Now input the phone number of your Telegram account that you would like to delete and tap on next. On the next page, tap again on next. Now we have to input our verification code. Remember, your verification code will be sent onto the Telegram app, not your phone number. So we have to go to Telegram, minimize the window and open the Telegram app. Yes, there is our Telegram account deletion code. Copy it and open the Telegram authorization page. Paste it here, tap on sign in. On the next page, just tap on delete my account and from the next pop-up window, tap on yes, delete my account. Yes, we have successfully deleted our Telegram account. If you reopen your Telegram account and you will see a fresh Telegram starting page. Yes, that's it. We have successfully deleted our Telegram account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.